Hello everyone! I'm super excited today to inform you about this amazing system. Finally, something completely new and incredibly profitable for digital marketers. Before we jump to the system, please support our channel by subscribing. At the same time, you will not miss any opportunity as we publish great content every day. Today's video is about this 3-in-1 software system, a marvelous software that creates down for you magic profit links that build your list and make commissions. At the same time, a system that lets you make your own custom magic profit links from scratch. A system that uses multiple advanced technologies to maximize your conversions and profit at every step without you lifting a finger. A system that gets spire traffic to any link of your choice. A system that includes traffic, hosting, step-by-step training, and world-class support. Nothing else on the market comes anywhere close to what this does for you. It replaces multiple softwares and does a better job from inside in one dashboard. There simply isn't an easier or faster way to get paid to build your list, starting from scratch. Multiple income streams for multiple done-for-you traffic streams. Zero overhead costs because premium hosting is included as well. Pre-approved offers means there is no waiting to monetize. And much more. Check out this amazing system by clicking the link under this video in the description.